Fabricators choose AlcoTec for its quality, technology, and industry-leading support, and they all come together at the AlcoTec School of Aluminum Welding Technology. If you want the wisdom to take your welding processes to the next level, this school is for you. Held at our Traverse City manufacturing facility, the school combines theory, practical knowledge, and a hands-on approach. You will learn from a team of welding engineers, application specialists, metallurgists, and quality experts. During the 3-day school, morning classes focus on the science of aluminum, its alloys, and their weldability. After lunch, you apply that knowledge in our lab, welding with AlcoTec filler metals and ESAB equipment. To illustrate the need for good procedures and techniques, your welds will undergo a bend test, an X-ray test, and macro etching. The AlcoTec School of Aluminum Welding Technology meets the needs of engineers, operators, supervisors, instructors, designers, and sales representatives. The knowledge you gain from AlcoTec can optimize every aspect of your operation, from procedure development to training and troubleshooting. If you value excellence in aluminum welding, contact AlcoTec and secure a spot in our aluminum welding class.